to my channel Rasa Sayang Taste of Love. Today I'm going to be showing you how easily you can make this super fresh soy milk at home. So, soy milk is a well-known dairy milk replacement, but it's not just a substitute ingredient. Soy milk can be a whole worthwhile addition to your diet on its own. This healthy, flavorful beverage first came about while on its way of making the tofu, So it was a waste product when our ancestors were making the tofu. So today, soy milk can be found around the country as a lactose-free dairy substitute. The vitamins, mineral, and antioxidant in soy milk can provide important health benefits. For example, the forms of vitamin B found in soy milk are important for helping your body maintain your nerve cells and DNA. Soy milk is also high in protein. The protein in soy milk is healthy, plant-based, and can help support healthy muscles and organs. And now, let's not waste time. Let me show you how easily we can make it with our trusted Thermomix, and I can show you right here what kind of collection of books that we have and how we can start making it at home. Do you know that we have a lot of book collections in our cookie dough? So either through your smart devices or on your TM6, you could actually search them. So basically, the super fresh soy milk that I'm going to make today is actually available in the alternative milk book collection. So if I go to my safe collection, I can find the alternative milk. And in the alternative milk, you can see you could actually make a lot of lactose-free and also plant-based milk. And for example, almond milk, cashew coconut milk, brown rice milk, oat milk, and one of them is actually the soy milk. So I already saved my recipe right here. I'm going to go on to showing you how we're going to make this super fresh soy milk at home, and it's so easy. So what happened is, this is how the soybean looks like. This is an organic soybean, and it has not been soaked, and it looks really dry, and it is round. So, and this is after soaking it overnight. After soaking it for overnight, you can see that it has actually grown into a kidney shaped, and it's really fresh and nice, and it's soaked and it's already expanded. So we're going to be using this in our soy milk today. So I'm going to be skipping this because we already did all this measurement of the beans. So we have 200 grams of dry soybean, which I already soaked overnight. So I'm going to skip this. And then I already drained it with the simmering basket. So place drained soybean. So this is the drained soybean into the Thermomix bowl. And then I'm gonna next and place 600 grams of water. You can always tear your measurement scale back to 0. So I'm going to put in 600 grams. Just shift this. So a little bit more is fine, 600 grams there, and then next. So I insert the lid and the measuring cup, and then next. And I'm gonna blend this at speed 8 for 1 minute. The blending at speed 8 is already done for 1 minute, and we're gonna press next. It says to add in another 600 grams of water. So remember to tear. And I'm going to add in another 600 grams of water. There you go. And now let's press next. insert the measuring cup and the lid again. And then we're gonna do a 10-second at speed 3 for the mix. And here I have the nut bag. Sorry, it looks a little bit green. It's not because it's dirty. It's because I milk a lot of the pandan extract all the time. So that's why it's a little bit green color, but it's fine. What I'm gonna do is, next, using a nut milk bag or muslin cloth, strain the mixture. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna strain the mixture. So you can see, I'm gonna scrape all this down from my lid. Give this a stir, and then I'm gonna put in the milk bag. So it's all strained. Put it aside, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain it through the milk bag. Strain out as much as the milk as you can. So here is the strained soy milk through the milk bag. So what I'm going to do is, the Thermomix bowl is already been rinsed, so you don't want any of the residue of the beans in it. So rinsed it, and I'm going to do a double sifting. So I'm going to put this really fine sieve on top, and so I'm going to place the reserved soy milk back in here. So I just want to make sure that I catch some of the other residue in here, and we do not need this anymore. I'm going to press next. Put in 3 pandan leaves that's already been tied. So I have this right here, and I have a lot of this in my garden. So I'm going to just place it in. And then place the simmering basket on top instead of the measurement cup, because sometimes it does bubble out. So this is to act that, you know, it wouldn't boil over, all right? And then we're going to be cooking this for 18 minutes at 90 degrees and speed 2, all right? Here it is, our soy milk is done. It's been cooked for 18 minutes, and let me show you, okay? So I'm going to take down this simmering basket, press next, and it will tell you to put in 60 to 80 grams of white sugar. So we don't really consume white sugar at home as much as we can. So I have cane sugar today over here, and I do not like it too sweet. So I'm going to just put about 40 grams. So please put sugar according to your liking, and you can absolutely omit sugar as well and make it a non-sweet, no sugar type of soy milk. So let me just tell. Remember, you can always put it back to 0 on your measurement scales. And I'm going to put in about 40 grams. Smells so good. There you go, 42, that's fine, okay? There you go. And I'm using organic raw cane sugar today. And let's press next. Insert the measuring cup and lid. Now the container is really hot right now at 90 degrees, so make sure you follow the instructions and the safety properly, and make sure the cup is covering the lid. And then we're going to give it a mix, so just turn the speed selector to speed 2. And this is just gonna give it a mix for about a minute. And then I think our soy milk is ready. And this is a super fresh soy milk that you can make easily at home. And I think our soy milk is done. Let's press next. Carefully remove the and discard the pandan leaves, okay? So, and then serve the soy milk warm or cold. So you can always place it in the fridge. And let me just show you. This is how the soy milk look like. And I'm going to carefully remove the pandan leaves. And then the soy milk is done. Here you go, a cup of super fresh soy milk. Give it a try. All the recipes in cookie dough. It's really simple, very easy. Soak your soybean the night before, and then you can get this done in the morning. I hope you give it a try.